welcome to our channel, Stress Induced Left Eye Twitch. My name is Bo.
And I'm Jillian.
And that's Mom.
I'm Mom.
Today, we have FAB FIT FUN.
This, if you don't know what FAB FIT FUN is a quarterly subscription box. I think it retails for what, $39.99 or $49.99? One of the two. Comes once a season. This one's my favorite. I've actually canceled all other subscriptions except for my daughter's Bo subscription that I use very much. Actually, I was just thinking about that, and I think I'm going to switch to a different one. Tell me if you are moms of girls and if you have a Bo subscription. Tell me which one is not bright neon colors, because I don't like those.
So it's $49.99.
So this is the fall box.
$49.99.
Okay, so Jilly sent it to me again. I tried again to customize. So if you watched our summer box, I customized that one.
I didn't get any say.
And this one, because I like to keep it like a secret from you, but I think she's gonna honestly hate the choices that I made, and Mom's gonna like the choices that I made. That's what I'm gonna guess. Some of them. Mom might not like all.
Mom just sides with you all the time.
Oh dear.
All right, can I reach in?
Smelling. I can smell it.
First thing I got.
Wait, I don't have a
A
thing.
juice cleanse.
They didn't give me a thing.
Exfoliating sugar
I don't
cubes.
have a
They have to be in there somewhere. Do you want me?
Where's my magazine?
Just look around in the box.
Should I
How come
pull
you're
it?
not looking in the box?
Because it always comes on top with those, what do you call it?
I'll look on the website and see if they have one.
I'll look on the website. You pick out, so she picked out these.
Okay, so these are exfoliating sugar cubes. Why are they called juice cleanse?
I don't like that.
I don't think I picked those.
Well,
You can
how are
use
we
those
even
for
gonna know?
spa.
I know,
Because
what
of
am I
your-
gonna do?
Did you actually
You
look
box?
around?
You know, it's always right on top. Did I miss? And I didn't take it out.
I don't know what you did with it.
Okay, I'm gonna just, okay, I got it.
Okay, you found it?
We're gonna have to
That's
do this,
weird
and
that
I'm
it
very
doesn't-
sad because, guys, I love looking at that magazine thing.
Yeah, and we like seeing what the other
So this
choices
is
are.
Harper & Aries exfoliating sugar cubes. This retails for $16.
Ooh.
In this particular one, what does it do? Does it go in your shower?
Ooh. Oh,
Well, let us smell it.
it smells like those, like, you remember when I used to eat gum? There would be that like, watermelon chewy gum. That's what it smells like.
I don't remember you ever
Yep.
eating gum.
It does.
Oh,
It
is so
it makes me want
strong.
to eat it.
No,
Let's
don't
lick
eat
it. I'm gonna lick it.
don't lick
Okay.
it. It's so
Lick
good.
it. Lick it.
Don't. That's gross.
It tastes like sugar. But I don't know which one. It just tells me what's in my box. So you guys won't really get to, I guess, see what.
Can I go get
The other
You
option.
Can I
take
go
a
out and get
single
the mail?
cube
No.
with you in the shower
Okay, Mom,
and
pick
gently
one.
massage over your wet skin.
Okay, do you want to guess what I'm going to pick? Guess in your head.
No, you can't. You can't.
Oh,
Mom, you just
I've already seen them all.
I knew it. I knew it. Okay, so
I knew you'd know. I picked
Now
that.
this isn't
That's
a makeup bag, Mom. This is a Kate Spade lunch tote.
Ooh, I need a
I
lunch
knew
tote.
Mom would like this one.
So we can't,
There's-
there's nothing, we can't even see what the other options are.
Jay, what do you want me to do?
I'm so upset.
I know, me too.
You
Let's
lost
try
it. You lost
Jay,
it.
I really didn't. It's not on
Maybe
the top.
the rest of them.
Do you want me to
lost
go
theirs
look in the
too.
car?
No.
It was just in the car.
You know, we're filming.
Let's
it seems
open
like
it.
it's just.
This is exactly what we do in all our videos.
This is Kate Spade, retails for $30.
We don't know what the other options were.
Oh, I need that for
Wow,
work.
Chili, I'm gonna literally punch you.
Mom, look how cute this
I
is.
totally bring
Is
that
this
to
it?
Bellevue.
Let's see if
but-
this
oh,
is
I
it.
can't see it.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Let's
Wow.
Oh, I love
I don't like these kinds because for one,
It's too little though.
they're not very insulated. And
Oh.
for two,
I stick mine in the fridge though.
are you gonna use this for bath?
Yeah, maybe for like snacks.
It's cute.
I think her
And
little
then-
thing could fit in there.
And
Yeah.
guess what? It'll end up in my stocking eventually.
Yeah, she has a lot of
Yeah,
good
look
stuff
for
coming
it.
this year.
Christmas vlog
Actually thought of this
2019.
where I think we this time should do a stocking for Dad. I think that'd be nice.
Yeah, it would
Because
be
this
very
one
nice.
has dropped doing it.
I did stocking.
Side note.
I did stocking for Dad.
He got like
socks and deodorant.
And he got his cherries, but he ate them. He got them out and ate them.
Okay, so that retailed for $30. What do you want me to do?
And
Because
his
I
Old
don't
Spice.
have it.
And he got his Old Spice cologne. He gets 3 things.
I don't remember what I customized because I don't think I would have picked any of this.
a hair towel.
Except I think I did pick the lunch tote.
You never got on.
A hair towel.
I thought you didn't like
for your
that hair.
I didn't pick the hair towel.
I want this.
Okay, you can have it.
She needs it for her spa
A
night.
new after spa.
So this
hair towel.
retails-
Bob, this for us?
Yeah. Put it in the
This,
spa box.
those get really stinky. $18. Wet hair, don't care.
You don't wash them?
The towel, I do. They hold on. You'll see. I've
No, I
had 3 of them, even a Norwex one.
I don't think that's gonna.
But my
happen
hair
to
is
me.
a lot shorter now, so it could be more helpful.
How
That's
come they get
$18.
stinky for you. I've had the same one for like. No, you have not.
I
I have had the same twisty turban for like
I'll show you mine.
10 years, and it
Literally,
still doesn't stink.
I want to just film with Mom. You're being so mean. You're being
I just-
mean.
I'm not allowed.
Now she's crying.
I'm not allowed to speak, so I want to go get the mail and I want to do my nails.
Mom, you're allowed to speak.
I've been told I'm not allowed to
You
speak.
can't speak if you're off camera.
Smell. Anyway.
Okay, this is an
No, it's okay.
Aromatherapy Deep Relax. Oh, we need some of this right now. It's a roller ball, $30.
You're not showing the people.
You guys are the ones that had it. Don't put this on me.
We got one of these in the last one, but it was that squeezy stuff. You remember, Mom? And I always make you put it on my back
Oh yeah.
at spa night.
I need to get some.
Can I
tiger
try
It
it?
actually smells
We
pretty
have that
good.
upstairs in our
Not
room.
amazing, just
Okay, it
pretty
says
good. This is Deep Relax Rollerball Zen In and Relax with chamomile, sandalwood, and vetiver.
Ooh, it's very strong. Let's do the
I
pulse
currently
points.
have Tiger Balm on too, so it might mix together and kill me with the aromas. Can't you like not mix certain things together?
Oh, for sure. I think that's a bad idea, especially.
What's she doing? Getting her nail polish off. Don't put it there.
No, I already took
I'm
it off.
smelling it.
No, I don't want that on me.
Put it on here.
No, I want to smell it first. Nope, not having it.
I'll use this.
No,
Here,
don't
let me
put
put it
things
back
on
in the
before
box for you.
smelling them. I'm just like
Okay,
you
Mom,
are.
pick.
I can see
Wait,
that.
I didn't get to pick yet.
Oh, okay. Mom picked this.
Oh, Mom.
Avita Damage Hair Repair. You
Well, I
guys
like
can
that.
take this one.
Ooh,
have
spa night.
This
Yeah.
retails for $30,
Good stick.
and you use it as a heat protectant too,
Oh,
for up to 450 degrees.
Amy
I
got
can
a
get that.
smartwatch. She must have seen yours.
This is my smartwatch that I had like 3 years ago, and then I found while I was deep purging my house.
And I was going to ask you to give it to me because I know you never.
I
wear
use it now as a mom. I think it's so helpful because now I don't have my phone on me.
Yeah.
And then I just see
I
if I
said
have
that
it.
to Amy. I said, now maybe you won't be so addicted to your phone.
Oh,
because-
well, I'm not addicted.
Oh
No,
my
but I mean, like,
goodness.
even for everybody, it would be good, like, if I open it to read a message, then I'm going to open Instagram. Or
Yeah,
TikTok
it's so
or
nice.
something.
So the other day, we were at the zoo, and I had
have
it.
noticed you've texted me, Wes, though.
Because I can't reply on it, so I can only
Oh, you
see
can't?
it. No, it's not a high tech
You
one.
can't talk into
But
it.
I can locate my phone.
Ooh, try it.
But I
wanna
was saying
see.
it as okay.
Let's see.
We are getting
Turn
so
this one up.
distracted.
This is
I could
they're
be getting
used
my
are,
nails
see?
done.
And then you go find my phone, and my phone can find my device.
Wow.
So now I don't have to have anyone call me.
That's
That's
crazy.
so cool.
No. But I was at the
Pretty
zoo.
much only a tracker for your phone.
Yeah, that's all I use it for.
Very
Guys, I was
expensive
at the
tracker.
zoo and I had it, and my phone was in the diaper bag, and I was receiving a call from Bea's doctor, which was like a big
Very
thing.
important.
And I knew I had it because it like vibrates my hand.
That's so nice.
It actually is really nice. So I'm
They're
glad
just
that I'm
not
using
real
it again.
cute though.
They're not.
Amy's is way cuter than
There's some pretty
Hers
rose
is
gold ones
rose
now.
gold.
Mine's
Yeah.
really cheap.
Hers was only $60.
Skylar's
And I
is-
got ripped off.
She got
Oh my.
it's on sale, and she used her discount and her red card.
Skylar has the rose
But
gold.
it's
Can
like
she
this
trade
big.
me?
You should look. Amy, do you want to trade?
Have I trade? I got a black one.
Okay, next, let's go. My
Wait,
turn to
we
finally
didn't
choose.
I gotta see what that retailed for.
Ooh, I'm-
$30.
I'm
Part
glad
of
about
this
that.
makes me think everything is $30 magically.
Ooh, look how pretty these are.
I did customize those. I wanted
I
those
love
climbers.
those. Can we try them on your ear?
Yes,
I
and
just
I
threw
want
some
them.
climbers away.
Okay, so these retail for $34. BaubleBar Farrah ear crawlers.
Don't put them in when they're not clean.
I never clean my
I
ears.
never clean mine either.
No.
They actually look really pretty.
Can I go clean them quickly? They're really gross when you don't clean them.
They
You stick
look-
them
I-
in a hole in your
When
ear.
I got married,
As close to your brain.
I had a clip for my my hair, and it looked very similar to this.
Here's the
Do
back
you know
if
where
you
that
want
clip
it.
is?
Yeah, it's in my jewelry box.
How do you climb? How does it stay climbing?
Mine always
that.
turned around.
Cute.
Let me see.
It feels like it's gonna fall.
Let me see.
Maybe
you have to
use
pinch
this.
it.
Oh,
You pinch it shut.
I'll show you guys. Wait,
It's
nothing's
cute.
happening.
It was climbing.
How do
Why'd
we
you
do
write it?
this?
In the
Guys,
trash.
You'll have to Google it.
why is mom
From
walking
here-
away?
From
Oh,
here,
it's
the
like
record bar is in between your eyebrows, so you look like you'll have a unibrow.
Guys, oh, yeah, I think mom's right. You gotta, but I think my ear's really small for it.
Ooh, it's so cute. I love it on
Turn your
you.
head.
It's so
Ear's too
fancy.
small.
It looks kind of big on your ear, but it's pretty.
I
Wait,
like it.
Wait, what's on that side? Do you have?
We're moving on.
Yeah, keep going.
I'm eating.
Mom.
I haven't had any. much
Mom,
food.
just-
Yeah, they forgot her food at my place. I went to get them food, and of course they forgot mom's.
Okay, next.
The one
Mom,
who wants food.
grab
Oh, I could have
something.
picked this or that, so this is showing me.
Ooh, that bracelet's cute
Yeah,
too.
but I have like 40 of those.
There's nothing to pick. I don't want either of those.
Okay. Mom's not doing a great job.
Can I have that bag?
Yes, you may,
I have
Mom.
that because I'm gonna put my hair stuff in there.
Okay, so
And I
this
travel.
is my mystery item. Oh, it says mystery item.
I will open it, please.
No, I'm
I
sorry.
want the bag. I want the bag.
This retails for $55.
Ooh, it's eye cream
It
by
could-
Murad.
Oh,
It
yeah,
could have
that's
been.
the best.
It
Folks
could have been
won't get
a
it.
palette, body cream, or trigger ball.
We
What's
don't
a
even
trigger
need it.
ball?
That's that stuff I have by my bed that I got at that fashion show.
I feel like it's not focusing in on anything right
Oh,
now.
that is the best. If you look at those reviews,
Wow.
look how big it is. Oh, we
Wow,
get
guys,
that.
$55.
You don't get it. It's
I
just-
definitely need it now. You guys are making it seem great.
You'll never use it. It'll get buried in your. We could use this for
Literally,
spa
then you
night.
guys need to start paying for this box. Okay, the
I feel
last
like I paid
one.
We
for a
don't
lot
want
of
this
things.
sugar cube.
Really, Mom? What do you pay for with my life? My
phone.
phone. We're still after all these years.
watch.
So,
No, you did pay me
no,
for
I
that.
paid for
That's
this
right.
watch.
That's right.
This is Human and Kind Body Souffle.
I can't wait to try
You've hit this
it.
wall 50 times. Are you okay? My gosh, your elbows are still a part of your body.
Sometimes we do forget that things are
This,
part of our
I
body.
mean, once
I always
is fine.
get
She
one of the
literally has
things,
hit
too.
this so many times.
Oh, you?
I haven't even
Let's
noticed.
show them your injuries.
Lather yourself in souffle blend of apricot oil and
Oh.
shea butter.
Not
Ooh, I
apricot.
love
I don't
it
put
so
apricot
far.
on me. I can smell it though.
Wow, it feels so nice.
It's not too bad. It's not
I
very.
wonder if this goes the other way. Does it go up your ear like this? That's all of it. So it retailed for $217.
I don't
It
feel
has
like there
to-
were any wow items this
Yeah.
time.
The
except
Marriott.
The
That's
Marriott
okay, wow.
eye cream, and that was a mystery item. So you customized for this
And these earrings.
and those earrings?
But I don't remember what else.
I like
would've-
the case.
I don't think I. Oh, I wanted a mystery item.
How come it didn't come with any of our coupons this time either? Let's look back.
You got
Let's look
ripped
under
off.
this
And the
box.
boxes never come with this thing.
Sometimes it'll come with like half of this thing, but not this whole
They
thing.
have- they were
I
trying
felt
to
like the
fill it
fall
up.
box was skimpy. I'm not impressed.
Maybe go watch other videos and see if they got better boxes.
Yeah, or if they
than us.
included, maybe somebody went through and was like, I need the coupons, the magazine, and my wow item.
Where's the wow item?
Murad. That was.
Nothing is called a wow item.
I would use that as a makeup bag. It's actually too small for a lunch bag.
All right, thanks
It'll
guys.
be in your stock.
Don't forget to subscribe down below and like this video, and we'll see you in the next one. Transition out.
You hit your elbow again.
It's so tedious.
Oh my gosh. And Mom